Hi everyone, I'm Talisha and I joined SSAC last year for my preparations in JEE and NATA. I scored a total of 99.53 percentile and my CRL rank was 349. This would not have happened without the support of SSAC. The teachers of SSAC, they are marvelous. They are kind and supportive and they are friendly. Throughout my preparation, all my queries were answered almost instantly. The regular classes, alongside the physical and online resources provided by SSAC, is truly what made my marks happen. There were little things like personalized improvement suggestions and group activities, correction classes. These things truly made my preparation much easier. I would suggest SSAC to everyone because they finish the syllabus in time, the classes are regular, and the teachers are very responsive. I would say SSAC is a top-notch institution and you can trust it for your preparation.